What?
Look who just showed up to my house. Out of nowhere. Just randomly appeared and gave me a $20 gift card to that thing called iTunes. Why are you here? And when did you get here? And what? Someone explain? What do you have to say?
So this is the time when the bakes.
Who's man's?
Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh, this is different.
Careful, Saxon. Saxon!
He just lays
Gentle.
down.
We just started this today.
What do you think of it?
Showed up. Again. More random people
Take a picture.
show up to our house.
Wait, who's it?
You!
I'm getting cold. Take that out of my pocket.
Who is it?
It's in my sweater. Answer it.
Is it Brittany?
No, it's Melanie.
He just...
The man,
Oh!
the myth, the legend.
You wonder why your girlfriend broke up with you. Oh, is it Brittany? No, it's Melanie. Is you hear Connor got broken up with?
Dude.
Yeah, chill.
Wait, do you really?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, she dumped me.
Why? When?
She said she went like a couple days ago. She was just like, it was out of nowhere too. Like I've done. What? Like on Martin Luther King Day at
Okay,
school,
please
and like
stop.
he was talking about like relationships between people, and it like just reminded me of it.
So what did you text her? What was the quote?
It just had to do with like Martin Luther King stuff. Like, are you recording a video?
Yeah.
A dog penis.
Oh, what was that, Rachel?
The dog penis.
I'm
What?
telling the parents right now. It's appropriate.
Go do it.
Alright. Come on, you beautiful puppy.
Come here. No,
You want a dog penis?
Don't hurt them.
I'll kill you.
Rachel, I'm really upset right now.
I need
We already talked
I'm
about
going through tough times.
it. Because if I tell her to get out, she usually
Who's
in the hallway.
man's?
And like she like I don't know, like it was infected. It was like open wound.
So she's like. So it wasn't like.
But it was like blood.
So it wasn't like poop though.
It was like a mess.
Oh,
Just like blood. I was like,
Was she going like?
Look at this man.
and she was so scared. Connor, don't be a pussy. It's so stupid.
Rachel.
This is so small.
The dog penis. You get back here with my dog. It's my dog. You get back here with my dog. It's a dog.
It's the saddest thing I've
I
ever
would
seen.
love to have a slice of this.
Oh my gosh, I
pepperoni.
can see.
That's so stupid.
This
Get
is
the
so
dog.
much better.
Take the dog.
Do we have like the same eyesight?
I need glasses.
Get the dog.
Where your chair? Like,
He does
this
that.
is my pepperoni.
Thanks. Give me the toad. Rachel. Rachel.
Rachel!
Oh my god!
He doesn't want to be in there.
Rachel!
He's sleeping.
That's so sad, Rachel.
so warm.
Oh my god.
He's so unhappy.
Ooh.
Exposed his dog penis.
Stop!
Rachel.
Take a picture. When he's looking at you, because what is he doing?
Don't do that like that.
Okay, go.
This lady come to steal your dog.
Good.
Oh my god, we gotta see if Connor's golf cart keys are in his golf cart. I asked him and he said maybe not. Oh my god. We out. Come on. Give me some more. I'm just kidding, we're not gonna leave. I'm a better person than that. I'm not just gonna drive his golf cart out. Connor! Your golf cart's really nice. Your golf cart is really nice, Connor.
What?
I just drove it around the yard.
Not another golf cart?
No.
Gray, if I did that, you'd probably have a freaking brain in yours. I mean,
I know. Did you pee on the floor too?
With like the chocolate sticks?
Yeah.
She ate
that
all
was
that.
really an accident.
Did you hear that? I was like, did you pee on the floor too? That was literally an accident. Rachel peed on our floor. Hi, Saxon.
Huge.
Okay.
My doge.
I didn't literally pee on your floor, okay?
Yes, you
In
did.
the toilet.
You came out and you said, I peed on your floor, but it's okay. I cleaned it up.
And it leaked.
Floor.
I peed in the toilet. And it
told.
went between the
You're
toilet.
Okay, girl. I'm your best friend.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Okay, Google, you're my best friend.
This is cause for celebration. Let's dance.
Who's Mams? Connor and let me just focus this. Alright, Connor, Rachel. First off, Sophia showed up. Sophia's a long-term friend of Mia, like since babies. Connor, Rachel, they showed up out of nowhere. We did not know where they were coming. They came down, and those are them people. And now we're probably going down to the clubhouse, which is where we did all our summer vlogs, and do nothing. Feel? How does his dog penis feel, Rachel?
Ew.
Ooh, she just carries around a soccer ball with her. What the heck?
Oh, this.
What? I got the video of like what it looks like. And you guys...
What's going on down there? You a little bit lost? We're in the clubhouse now.
Haters mad for whatever reason.
I like this song more.
Oh.
Dude, my speaker's like 10 times better than this.
And
mine's just like a little bit.
the Toro speakers are like 2,000 watts, so that's a full 8.5 watts. The Toro's like 2,000. I just took your lights off, Connor. They're on my hat.
My what?
Your lights, they're like on my hat. Are those lights? Are we gonna have enough battery to get me back home?
Play a song everyone knows.
You know this song.
I don't know this song.
It's a pretty lit song. It's by Young Thug. Young Thug. Matt showed it to me. Rachel!
I see.
Hey, the Droglets house. Let's throw something at it.
Speaker.
No, you fucking...
I would like to break that window.
Rocket!
There's this tree just like defeated.
Why are you rubbing my speaker?
Can you stop rubbing my speaker, please?
Guys, where are you guys going?
Oh, God.
What the f*** are you doing?
This waistband is...
Go get french fries. I'll be here.
Ah.
I don't have shoes. I'll be here. You guys don't take long. All right. Goodbye. Couple goals. Guys, just hold hands now. Come on. Goodbye. I'll be here. See ya. Bye. There's nobody here. Wow. Anybody? Anybody? Aye.
Been in the picker, you did me like shovels. I gotta fuck with you. I put 20 inside the seat. I pull up on you and I pop at your key. I pull up your block and I pop at your beat.
Rachel and Connor just got their fries after like 26,000
My sister brought them
hours.
to me.
Your sister didn't? Oh.
She goes, the hostess goes, are there some fries? My sister looks at me, she goes, oh, hi, sister. And I grab the fries from her, she's like,
Was that my sister? Is that what you...
she's like, oh, hi, sister.
Goodbye! Oh, there's people. Drive. Hi. Have you not watched all of my videos from the summer?
No.
Go look at
I want
them!
to see my nasty face.
Dude, you know what I got on video? You know what I got on...
You choose first, okay?
You know what I got on video? When you almost hit that minivan.
Greg, we can't make it anywhere.
Are you dead?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not hard. Go knock on the door.
Text me, yeah.
There's a ditch right there.
I texted her. Start walking, boys and girls.
No, I'm called. I'll wait.
I'll wait too.
We begin the journey.